What's up, everyone? Wanted to bring your attention today to a project called EverEarn. Now, as many of you will know, the crypto space has been a difficult um, period recently, since probably about mid-November. We've had the market crash in. We've been in you can say a bear market since mid-November now, and a lot of projects, a lot of different protocols have been really struggling to perform. Now, during that period, there still has been certain types of protocols and certain types of projects that have still managed to succeed and perform really well even during these hard times. And one of those types of projects has been stable coin reward tokens. And if there is one stable coin reward token that has been one of the best ones that we've seen so far, it's definitely these guys, Everend. Now, these guys offer 11% BUSD rewards. So on buys and sells, 11% of that gets redistributed to the holders. And now these guys launched almost 2 months ago, so head over to the chart now and you can take a look at it. It was just over 2 months ago, actually, on the 28th of January. And this is how they performed so fast. As you can see, I mean, anybody who got in earlier pre-sale managed to get a 4,000% gain. Um, since then, it's been downtrending, but as we all know in crypto, anything that moves too fast upwards, once you start getting these big vertical green candles, um, you know, 99% of the time, there's always a correction. It happens every single time, and that's exactly what happened. This is kind of a typical, it's a typical chart really when after something as pumped as hard as this one did. Now, obviously, profit taking, some people are up 4,000%, people taking profits, and it has been downtrending for a while. Now, as you can see, over a week ago, it seems to have found a bottom here, on the 21st of March. Found some nice support, kind of where the old resistance used to be at the start of the project. That kind of holds down as a nice support, and now we're moving back up. Kind of timing nicely with the market finally starting to move up at the same time. So I definitely think there's some opportunity here now that all these guys that made 4,000%, they're all sold and took the profits, and now looks like it's time for some new investors to come in and take over. Hopefully, this time to see this kind of movement here. A slow move up rather than this big vertical line up here, which usually ends up having a correction afterwards. And so just gonna go over into a bit more detail into the project about what these guys are offering. They are, as I said before, they're one of the highest BUSD rewards tokens on the BSC at the moment, um, offering 11% BUSD on transactions. Now, these guys have a dashboard, so you can, once you buy, you can connect with your wallet and you can see how much you're earning, you are going to earn, how much is being distributed, and all that kind of stuff. Um, and another feature, and one of the reasons why I wanted to bring this video to you guys today, is they've just released staking. As of today, they've now got a staking platform where you can stake your tokens. So not only if price goes up, then obviously your investment will be worth more money, and then also you're earning 11% BUSD rewards from the taxes. But then also now you can stake your tokens for a certain amount of time and earn more money from that as well. So let's bring ahead. So this is their staking. So you're going to be able to stake your tokens for 1 week, and it'll give you 25% APR. If you did it for 30 days, it'll be slightly higher at 30%, and so on and so forth. The highest you can do is if you did it for 90 days, you're getting 50% APR. Which is, if you're buying these tokens, for the long term, which is pretty much what these projects are anyway. They're all about sustainability and longevity. Then you can get some nice APR on that as well. And sorry, the last one, if you did it for a year, you get 59%. So so you put 1,000 in, you get in say you buy like 1,000 tokens, then you're gonna get over 500 tokens um, per year, just if you stake for 1 year. And yeah, so that's one of the reasons why I wanted to bring this project to you guys, because um, like I say, in terms of a technical analysis point of view, the people who made profit at the start of this project seem to have definitely got out of the project now. It seems to have found some support. It started moving back up, and also the market is looking very good as well, the overall market. And now they've got this new staking platform out. Um, I mean, if you take a look into more detail in what these guys offer and what these guys have coming soon, I mean, you can see why they performed so well, and went up over 4,000% at the start. Um, they have got a little swap here on the website as well that you can use, and this is something that's coming out later on down the line. We're going to go over onto the roadmap soon, because it's another interesting thing to look at. But they will have their own wallet and tracker. That's something else that's going to come further down the line on the roadmap. So there we go. I mean, it's easy to see why this project performed so well. You can see here they've been working as a team on this since November 2021. I mean, they go into so much detail about every aspect of a project, and everything that should be done. They were doing into December. I mean, look how much detail they went into in order to assuring that they had a good finished product. You can see, man, you just see the detail they went into, doing like several different audits with different companies. They did everything they needed to do. And as you're going to see now, going into the future, you're going to see how much stuff they have lined up for in the future as well. So as you can see, I mean, look at this in March, look at all these details. So this is the staking, this is where we're at now. Staking platform, they're going to be getting audits done for this, they're doing everything as it should be. They've got some farming and rewards coming on down the line as well. Big marketing push in Europe and Asia and different parts of the world. I mean, just going into so much detail. Into April as well, it's the same thing. They've got their NFT marketplace lined up, the GameFi development starting. I mean, it's just endless the amount of stuff that they've got going on. I mean, they understand that investors need something to hold for, and these guys certainly haven't stopped at just being a rewards token, and they're really pushing the boat and going the extra mile to make sure that the project continues to perform well. And yeah, so I'm going to leave you guys all the links to this project, the Telegram community, the website, the white paper, that kind of stuff, so you can check it out yourself. And going back over here, I think right now we're definitely in a good period to invest in this project. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks for listening as always. Until next time, bye.